Good morning and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. In today's video we're going to be doing quite a few things together. So I'm going to start by showing you 2 deliveries which I have received of some skincare products. Then I've also received a really exciting box which is delivered to your door with ingredients to bake cookies. And it comes with all of the ingredients apart from 2, I think, which are butter and eggs. So obviously any dry ingredients or ingredients that don't need to be in the fridge come in the box. And what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to make the cookie dough today. And they recommend for it to rest for at least 24 hours or overnight. So I'm going to then pop it in the fridge and then check in on that tomorrow with you. Then I have actually almost run out of my ginger tonic mix that I make, which I've spoken to you about. So if you didn't watch my video where I mentioned it, every Sunday I have been making a ginger tonic, which is just ginger, lemon and water. And you have about a shot, and you can either have it as a shot or you can have it as a tea. So put it in the tea and then pour hot water into it. And I've actually got an iron onto it as well, so I have been doubling the recipe. And seeing as we are almost out of that one, I'm going to make some more today. Lastly, I have a box filled with products that has gotten a little bit messy. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I do quite a lot of collaborations with brands, and sometimes I get sent a lot of the same things, so a lot of different skincare products, for example. And there's only so much skincare that I can use at the one time. So the things that I'm not using, I put in this box so that when I'm ready to use it, I can take it. But at the moment, I have been just putting things in there that I'm not ready to use, and now I have no idea what's in there. So I need to take it all out, sort through it, and then reorganize it. So the first product that I wanted to quickly show you is from Lizzy, and it's an active botanical serum. And I have heard incredible things about this serum. So I am really excited to use it. And the second delivery that I received was from Summer Salt, and I received 3 products from them. So one of them is a moisturizer, and I will, as always, open it up for you so you can see how creamy it is. Oh, that looks so good. Next, I received a Skin Glow Tropical Toning Mist. So this one here looks really good as well. And I'm actually not using a toning mist at the moment, so I might swap that into my routine straight away. And then I received an eye cream. I am living for eye cream at the moment because I've been waking up at 6 o'clock every morning and my eyes are starting to look a little bit tired, so I need a little bit of help there. Then I also received quite a few new clothes, including this very comfortable sweater and matching tracksuit pants, and a few other little bits and pieces, but I thought I would do a separate video for that and film it kind of like a haul, like a clothing haul of the new items that I've received. Alright, so let's jump straight into the kitchen and get started with those cookies. Good morning. So it is now the following day, and I'm just coming into the kitchen to check on the cookie dough that I've left to rest there overnight. I'm just going to take it out of the fridge, let it rest here for a little bit as well, just so it becomes room temperature, and then turn that into some cookies. Okay, so I've just gotten changed into some comfy clothes and I finished with the cookies and they are incredible. So if you are looking for a cookie recipe or just something new to try, then I would definitely recommend trying these ones. The Belgium milk chocolate, oh, makes it so good. So now I'm going to move over to the table and get started with sorting out that PR box. As you're about to see, there is a lot of things that I need to sort through. Okay, so if you probably don't know what this is, it still looks very unorganized, but what I've done is first I had them by brands, like all of the skincare products, but now I've put them by category so I know what I have more of and what I have less of. So for example, this little group here is all cleansers, this is all moisturizers, this is all serums, this is oils, eye cream, makeup remover, toner, moisturizers with sunscreen in it or just sunscreen, body butter, tans, body scrubs, little tools, lip balms, masks. Then this is my hair products. This is a little bit of makeup, which if you watch one of my last videos, I showed you that I have a box filled with makeup that I haven't yet used. I'm going to add these things to that. This is a little candle, so I'm actually going to add that with my candles because I have my candles separately in a drawer. Don't mind the rubbish there. Then this is my hair products. So these are shampoo conditioners here. So I've got 4 sets of those. Then this is my heat protectors and this one as well. Then these ones here are my hair masks. I've got 2 blow dry balms here. I've got a UV guard, anti-frizz, and then lots of spray shine argan oil, as you hear me speaking about it all the time. So I've got a good amount of those. Then I also have a body oil here and then a few bits and pieces back there as well. So now that I kind of know what I have, it's going to make it a lot easier for me when brands reach out to let them know what I do need and what I don't really need. And these are all products that I will use and I will go through just eventually. Obviously, every time I run out of one of my serums, for example, now I know that I can come to the serums and grab one of these to replace it with, and same goes with everything else. So now I'm going to retake these things and then resort them back into this box. This box is just like a handy box to have that I just keep everything in, but at least now I know what I have and I'm going to sort it out by sets and everything so that I can just grab and go from what I need. Okay, so as you can see, that's a huge progress. So, I mean, it probably doesn't look like it, but it's organized in there. And these things here, so this is just empty boxes that I need to throw away. Makeup to go in that box. This is a nail polish that I can put with my other nail polishes. This candle I'm going to put away. This cloth I'm going to use because I love using these cloths to wash my face. These tans go in my bathroom, and then this is just a little scrunchie that I can use. and this is a case for a charger which I can put away. Okay, so I've just put everything away that needed to be put away, and that's another thing that I had been putting off for a little while, and obviously every week that I receive new products it kind of piles up and then I forget what's in the box. Another thing is all of those products I have actually used and tried. So usually when I receive something, I try it out for a week or a few weeks and then it goes into my box, because obviously I wouldn't want to promote something if I haven't tried it. So that goes into a different pile again, but that's the pile where I've used it, I've tried it, and now I need to wait until I finish actually using the things that I'm using in order to use the next thing. So I hope you've enjoyed this video and it hasn't been too all over the place. I have brought you along on a few different things that I was doing. And again, if you are enjoying these styles of videos, then please let me know by liking. And if you're watching and you're not yet subscribed, then please do. It would mean so much to me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful day and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.